Hello again. Today we're talking about fertilising trees. If that guinea fowl doesn't start up in the background again. So fertilising trees, fruit trees, rose bushes, shrubs, I do them all like this. So here, this is a little maple tree and it's out in one of my paddocks where there's no cows. That's why there's not a guard around for those who watch the channel. Here this is kikuyu grass, very competing when it comes to fertiliser on these trees. So I learned this method a long time ago of how to fertilise trees. So you want to try and avoid the roots of this kikuyu grass, or you end up with a big bulb of grass like this continually, and the fertiliser goes to the grass probably more so than the tree. So with this method we're going to bypass the grass and try and get to the roots of the tree where it can use it. Now it's frightfully hot, it's up around 36 degrees today, probably make it 38 I think the forecast is, and trees like this are really starting to struggle in the heat. So you want to get the fertiliser right down to those roots where they can use it kind of immediately. So all I've done is just mix up a good liquid fertiliser into the watering can. Let's just get that out of the way here. And hidden behind the tree is my trusty crowbar. So, ditch the glasses. So, here's the drop line of the tree. You can kind of see it from the shadows of where the tree is going to drop. So, you want to be out of here around where the roots are, and just give yourself a nice hole, and then all you're doing is filling that hole up with your liquid fertiliser. And the idea is to work your way around the tree, various spots. Get it nice and deep. See, this way the fertiliser is going right down to the bottom of that hole, below all the grass roots, spreads out down there where the tree roots are, and the tree gets the bulk of this fertiliser, and it kind of gets it straight away. So there you go, that's how you fertilise trees coming into summer. Now you can do this any time of year. Here you've really got to look after trees because it gets so hot. So you can do it a couple of times a year. You can use hard fertiliser like pellets and just pour it down the hole in handfuls or cupfuls down the hole. Whatever fertiliser it is your trees need, just bypass what's around it, shoot the hole in, pour the fertiliser in the hole, that's done. Thanks for watching, please subscribe to my channel. I'll come back and have a look at the other videos that are there. Cheers!